Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into best Finelo investment courses. So if you're looking to learn investing through Finelo, their top course focus on building a strong beginner foundation, exploring the stock market, break down how stock works, and how to read market trend. While what to invest is besides stock, introduce other assets like ETFs, bond, real estate, and others. Another favorite is the first step in investing, cover goal settings, risk management, and portfolio basics, all taught through bite-sized lesson and a bit in practice simulator. The courses are simple, structured, and great for beginners that keep in mind that some users report limited debt and tricky refund policy. It's best to start small, compare with free alternatives, and learn safely. If this helped, hit the like, subscribe for more short app review, and comment which course you do want me to start with first. And that's it.